In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change default search engine on Google Chrome. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Chrome web browser, and as you can see, if I click at this plus to create new tab, it creates a tab with Microsoft Bing search engine. You may see here different one. However, let's say you want to change it. For instance, I'm going to change it to Google, and to do that, actually we need to click right here at these three dots at the top right corner. Then in this menu we need to click at settings. Once you are at Chrome settings, you need to search for search engine here at this left menu, and basically, guys, that's where we can change it. I'm gonna select Google, and basically that's it. Now we can close settings, and if we create new tab now, as you can see, it moves us to Google search engine here, which is default now. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.